So this is PayPal, and you can see it's dropped something like, well, I'll tell you exactly how much it's dropped. It has dropped 77% over 11 months. Okay, which is about 47 weeks, roughly. So has it hit a base? Well, here's something interesting. These are the buy ratings of various analysts. 20 days ago, Morgan Stanley confirmed a buy. A month ago, Morgan Stanley confirmed a buy. 2 months ago, Dan Dolev from Mitsuho Bank buy. Barclays confirms a buy 2 months ago. Wells Fargo confirms a buy 2 months ago, and so on and so forth. And here we go. That is KeyBank. That is Citigroup confirming a buy. Ashwin Shirvaikar. Piper Sandler confirms a buy. I mean, pretty much every single thing on the planet. You might say, wow, that must have hit a bottom then. The stock must be at a bottom after all. Its current price point is where it was back in 2018. What more evidence do you want? Well, the problem with looking at analysts is they also were saying buy here as well, all the way here. They were also saying buy here before it kept dropping. Okay, and some of them said buy at the absolute peak. Wells Fargo, Barclays. Don't get me wrong, I own PayPal. I didn't think it'd fall this far. It's one of the companies which I think is fundamentally sound. I'm happy to hold for beyond the normal 12 months I hold it, and I did not think it would fall this far. So I'm not crowing at how bad analysts are. I'm saying, yes, there's a whole load of buy ratings now, but I have to take them with a pinch of salt. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Is PayPal ready? Is it ready? Is it ready for buy time? I think we're getting close. But I think when it does start to move up, it won't move at the same rate upwards as it fell downwards. So you won't get in 12 months, I don't think, a move back to where it was. It won't be a mirror reflection. And therefore, you won't quadruple your money in 12 months. I think it might take a gentler trend for it to go up. I think if I had to put a line on it, I think you're probably more looking at a move which will be closer to, let's say, over the next year, maybe getting about 11%. And that's me being cautious. You might say, no, don't be stupid, Alpesh. It'll go higher and faster than that. No, I think that's probably more likely. So why do you still hold it? Well, in this environment, at least it beats inflation. But I also think it could go more to the upside, and I'm willing to hold it. I want to be strategically a holder of the company. Have a look at the links in the bio. If you want to learn more, have a look at campaignforamillion.com, my Telegram channel, free information there, my LinkedIn channel for arguments, for columns, my blog. All the links are in the bio for that. Videos, training, all free. All in the links in the bio.